Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get a Shopify Admin API Access Token. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are in, go to Settings at the bottom left of the screen. Then, click on Apps. In this section, select Develop Apps. If you have not enabled Custom App Development before, click Allow Custom App Development. Next, click Create an App. You will need to enter a name for your app. Choose a name that helps you identify it later. After entering the name, click Create App. Shopify will create the app and take you to its Details page. Now we need to set the app permissions. Go to the Configuration tab in the App Details. In the Admin API Integration section, click Configure. Here you can select the specific permissions or scopes your app needs. Make sure to select only the permissions your app actually requires. After choosing the scopes, click Save. Finally, we will generate the access token. Go to the API Credentials tab. In the Access Tokens box, click Install App. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Install to proceed. The page will refresh, and your Admin API Access Token will be generated. Click Reveal Token once to view it. Remember, this token is shown only one time, so copy it and store it in a safe place. With this token, your app can now make authenticated requests to the Shopify Admin API and manage your store data. Thanks for watching.